It seems like it should have been a bit wider or something. I don't know. But something's off to where, you know, boards aren't meeting exactly where they're supposed to meet. It's a gorgeous day. I'm gonna put the rafters on. A little bit janky. The ground probably wasn't completely level. My measurements weren't perfect, you know. I free-handed some stuff. I only had my circular saw I was using. Oh, there's just so much wind. I hope you can actually hear me. But yeah, like the measurements are off. Definitely off. It seems like it should have been a bit wider or something. I don't know. But something's off to where, you know, boards aren't meeting exactly where they're supposed to meet. In the plans, it shows this being like flush with this wood, but there was no way to make it like that without that being off. And it's off anyway. It like, I don't know. It's just kind of off everywhere, but it's okay. For just some normal person, this is the best I can do. Everything's a bit crooked though. Like, dang. You can see the crookedness. But I hope it's gonna hold together anyway. The more I think about it, the more I think I know what happened with the measurements when it comes to the rafters and the ridge pole up top. I think it's because I had it slightly too low, like maybe an inch too low, and that's why the rafters weren't lining up completely. That might be part of it anyway, but it's a little too late for that now because I've already screwed everything in. But hopefully I'll still be able to put it together somehow. The only thing I'm worrying about now is the fact that to make this airtight, without these things being out like at the edge here, with this being off, there's going to be like a gap underneath here. So I don't know, I'm going to have to fix that somehow. Maybe put like a strip of wood in between each of these. I don't know. So that's something I got to figure out too. Not much going on today because it was an inside day basically. We had my sister-in-law over, so I spent like part of the day just, you know, cleaning inside the house, tidying up. It's been raining today, so it was an inside day. You know, came outside before bed because for one, it's gorgeous with this like after storm sunset going on. And I wanted to check on my plants because, you know, that's what I do. Some of my cabbages just, they look really good right now. Like, they're looking good. And so I thought I would give a little update on them. Looking beautiful. Squirrel or something trying to bury a nut in there. These over here look good. There are mosquitoes everywhere right now, like so many. And I just want to show you real quick, in case this is what I think it is, which I'm hoping it is. My daughter and I planted some forget-me-nots in here. And there's something coming up right there and another thing coming up right there. So I'm thinking that it doesn't look like a weed. So I think that might be the forget-me-nots coming up. Everything over here, real quick, it's just weeds. I, you know, started working on pulling out some of the weeds, but there's still tons that needs pulled up. This is chamomile, I believe, coming up right here, along with over here as well. Right there. I did start some chamomile, but it's not doing great. If it fails, I've got some that came up on its own in the garden, so we're good there. And here are the broccoli. With this rain and the cool weather, they look pretty beautiful right now, honestly. Cauliflowers here. They haven't gotten, you know, much bigger or anything, but they look good. They're fine. And then my wheat has a ton of bindweed that's trying to come back, even though I dug it up as best as I could before I planted this. It's coming up big time. So I just keep pulling it. The moon is bright, dang. Okay, well, thanks for watching. And I'm hoping in this next coming week I can start figuring out getting whatever I need for the door on my greenhouse. Or maybe I'll work on the siding. I don't know. We'll see what comes next. Thanks for watching though. I appreciate it.
Because it's going to worry me. I will hold on to you no matter what comes. No night can last forever. No storm will tear us apart.